Welcome all. In the previous video, we saw rows and columns, the basic concept of rows and columns. Now here we will see how to draw a picture using rows and columns. Here you can see a 4 cross 4 and a 2 cross 6 and a 2 cross 3 rows and columns. We'll see how to draw a cow using these rows and column concept. Let's start. 4 cross 4, 4 points, 4 rows and 4 columns. Now connect these 4 points using outer curve to form a circle. Now connect here, connect as shown. This is cow's head part. So connect a small V type curve, straight line, laughing curve, 2 circles with shaded. Now 1, 2, 1, 2, then straight to this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this is for and the ears. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Simple ear. Just give straight line. Now eyes. So using a 4 cross 4, you can see how to draw a simple cow head picture. This is 4 cross 4. So beautiful cow head part. Now see the body part. This is 2 cross 6. Keep here 1, 2, 3, 3 points. 1, 2, 3. And again this is 2 cross 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 cross 3. This is for legs. You'll see we have kept 2 rows, that is 2 cross 6 and 2 cross 3 just at the height above. Just connect it as shown. Just connect as shown. And this is for tail. 2 closed outer curve. Yeah, it's done. So the body part is done. Now we'll connect head part at this position. 4 cross 4. So we have already seen how to draw a head part of a cow using 4 cross 4 rows and columns concept. Just keep one 4 cross 4 point at the middle position. One, 2, 3, 4. So 4 cross 4, 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay. Let's repeat the head part. So this is very simple if you learn the rows and columns concept. And very easy to pick up. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Inner curve, outer curve, inner curve. Okay. Now again for ears. 1. Already the point is there. 1, Let's keep one more point. 1, 2, 3. Just okay. That's it. So good. Connect the neck part. Connect it. Connect it. That's it. So the curve is done. You can see the curve is slight bit elongated. The body part is. So if you keep the points very close, you'll get a broad curve. So it is based on how the points are closer and how the points are far. So this is done. Now let's again draw 2 cross 6. Okay. Now we'll see the head part is coming at the down position. Whether we can move the head part to top, middle part and the down position. Now let's start to draw the head part and the down position. Just keep as shown. Keep the 4 cross 4 points. Just move the 4 cross 4 points towards up if you want in the upper position, towards down if you want the cow to eat the grass, and if you want the cow to stand still, then keep the 4 cross 4 points in the middle position, in the middle position of the body part. So it's really easy, and it's really can see uh, the movement of head part to the up, mid and down position. So just move the 4 cross 4 points, that's it. But the one thing is here the fourth point is not used at the neck part. If you see the fourth point, this is not used, and you can see the neck part is so elongated. It's okay at the initial stage. So it's done cow using 4 cross 4. The only thing is the neck part, you see it's elongated. It's fine. It comes as a cartoon cow. So you can draw some grass so that the cow eats the grass. So you can draw so many pet animals, wild animals using rows and columns. So this is done. Thank you.